Hey, I'm John Tenney with the Florida Aviation Network. I'd like to welcome our affiliates with the viewing parties for PT 17, Plane Time 17, August 19th, 2023. We've got Bill Stuhl in the studio with us today, and Joel Wiener called in from Bar Harbor, Maine with the Civil Air Patrol. Terry Kurtz from South Lakeland. Glenn Sims in Lakeland with the Civil Air Patrol. Paul Adrian and John Weber in Leesburg with EAA Chapter 534. Barbara Phillips is in Orlando with EAA Chapter 74. Bob Jex just joined us by Zoom from Orlando with the Orlando FSDO. Vicki Sherman in Ormond Beach with the Civil Air Patrol. Keith Phillips in Spruce Creek with EAA Chapter 288. Joe Smaltz in Titusville with EAA Chapter 866. Brianna Wright in Sanford with Naval Air Station Sanford Information Headquarters. Bill McClung just joined us via Zoom from Tampa with the NASF and Florida Aviation Network. Michael Minner in Tampa with the Tampa FSDO. Dennis Hayes in Fort Myers with the EAA. William Billy Hadaway in Birmingham with the Birmingham FSDO. Sam Gross in Tampa with the Tampa Fast Team. Barry Simons in Inverness with EAA Chapter 1674. Tommy Diedemann in Live Oak with EAA Chapter 797. John Licardi and Michael Ketchpaw in Fort Pierce with EAA Chapter 908. Rob Williams in South Carolina with the Triple Tree Aerodrome. Laura Spolar, is it Spolar? Spolar. In Orlando, Florida with the Women in Aviation. Jim Waymere and Cress Wise in the Villages with the Villages Aviation Club. We'd like to thank you all for being our affiliates for Plane Time 17.